Finally, I can meet my little bunny peacefully. He must be very angry from me, and why shouldn't he? I didn't talk with him since 2 months. After Uncle Anar's sudden dismiss, he became completely quiet. It took us whole 6 months to pull out from his deepest sorrow. Slowly, he started becoming normal and started living his life like before. He just started laughing and doing mischiefs, but suddenly I have to go to abroad for my internship. I did so much hard work for this internship. I didn't want to go there, but leaving my bunny alone, but I didn't have another option. But it's all right. I will give him surprise. He will be very happy to see me after a long time. Now I won't leave him alone ever. I brought so many gifts for him. He will become so happy. I can't wait to see his happiness. When will this flight land? I can't wait for a nanosecond to see my precious bunny. Name Kim Shikojin, age 22 years old, profession recently completed his studies and got a job in multinational company. Only child of his family, loves his cousin brother a lot. Time skipped after some times. Jin quickly came to home. His cab was stuck in the traffic, but he was in this much hurry to meet his little bunny that he didn't wait to clear the traffic. He quickly ran there. Mrs. Kim, shocked. Jin, you here? Is this really you or I'm dreaming? Jin hugged him tightly. Mom, it's me, your son. Mrs. Kim hugged him back. What a pleasant surprise. You didn't tell us you're coming. Jin, if I tell you beforehand, then what's the surprise? Mrs. Kim, but then also, if you tell me beforehand, then I will prepare your favorite dishes. Jin, it's alright, Mom. Bunny, my cute little baby, where are you? Bun, see, your Ginny Hangi is here. Don't you wanna meet with me? Bunny! He entered inside the living room while calling his little bunny, but for his surprise, there wasn't anyone. Mrs. Kim gave him a glass of water. Jin, calm down and first drink some water. Jin sat on the couch and gulped the water. Thanks, Mom. Where is my bun? Till now, he has to jump on me. Mrs. Kim, he isn't here. You are sweating too much. Go and freshen up. First, you must be tired. Take a rest for a while. Till then, I will prepare your favorite dishes. Jin, he isn't here means looked at the wall clock. Oh, you mean he is in his school? I was just too excited to see him that I forgot his school time. I'm going to freshen up. Left to his room. Time is skipped after some times. It's almost dinner time. Jin was sleeping in his room. He was having jet lag. His parents were sitting in the living room and having some serious discussion. Note: jet lag is a temporary sleep disorder. It occurs when his body's internal clock is out of sync with cues from a new time zone. As Jin was living in different country which has different time zone, that's why his body was habitual of different time zone. It will take some time to adjust himself. Mr. Kim, how's Jin? Mrs. Kim, he's sleeping. He asked about him. When he will know about the truth, he won't be stay silent. Mr. Kim, don't worry, I will talk to him. I'm sure he will understand us. Mrs. Kim, I don't think so. Jin shouts, Bunny, baby, Bun, where are you? See, your Ginny Hangi is here. Come here, Bun. I wanna see you. Are you angry with your Ginny Hangi? Why aren't you answering? Bun. He was shouting and searching him entire house but couldn't find him anywhere. Now he started panicking. Mr. Kim shouts, Jin, come here, son. We are in the living room. Jin came there in panic state. Dad, where is my bunny? Did he go outside to meet his friends? Mr. Kim, son. Jin, Mom, Dad, you shouldn't send him outside at night. He is just a little baby. We shouldn't left alone. He should be surrounded by us. You shouldn't give him permission to go outside. What if he needs anything? He won't tell anyone because of his shy nature. Now tell me, which friend's house did he go? I will pick him. Stood up. In return, I will bring ice cream for us. He loves ice cream. We will do ice cream party. Dad, why are you silent? Tell me fast so I can bring him here. Mr. Kim hugged him tightly. Jin, son, calm down. Made him sit on the couch. Jungkook isn't here. Jin looked at him. Isn't here means? Where did he go? Did he go to his relative's house? But wait. We doesn't has any relative other than us. Then where did he go? Mrs. Kim, he didn't go to any relative's house. We sent him somewhere. Jin, you sent him somewhere, but where, Mom? Mr. Kim, boarding school. Jin, super shocked. Boarding school? Are you out of your mind? He is only 15 years old. How can you send him there? How many innocent and shy baby men is there? Super strict rules. Before sending him there, you couldn't think about his mental health. How can you do this, Mom, Dad? Mrs. Kim, son, please listen to us first. Jin, what listen to you, Mom? You did so wrong. None of your explanation can justify your act. Mr. Kim, Jin, we didn't have any other option. He started behaving bratty. He became wild. We have to stop his unnecessary behavior. Jin, what unnecessary behavior, Dad? He is just a baby. Mr. Kim, all the time he was throwing tantrums. He shouts and sometimes breaks the things too. He wanna meet with you. We tried to make him understand that it's not possible to meet with you, but he didn't listen to us. Your excessive love made him spoiled. Jin, are you serious, Mom? Just few months ago he lost his parents. After his parents, I'm the closest person for him. But I also left him. What can he do in this case? How can he express his feelings? Mr. Kim, Jin, he should learn some discipline and manners. He became mannerless, and moreover, we can't afford his expenses of his unreasonable demands. Yes, he is our responsibility and we will bear it. We will pay for his studies and other necessary things. That's why we send him to the boarding school. There he will learn discipline and value of things. Whatever we did for his betterment. Jin stood up and shouts, no, he isn't a responsibility. He is my younger brother, my baby. What betterment are you talking about, Dad? He is behaving aggressive because his emotion couldn't come out. Instead of taking care of him and giving him your love, you send him to the boarding school and tell me you did this for his betterment. I understood you did this because you didn't want to bear his expenses. You don't want to bear his responsibility. You want to rid up. Cut off my heart slap. Mr. Kim slapped him. Jin, mind your tongue. Don't forget with whom are you talking. Lower your voice. We can't shout on you. I can understand you got a deep shock. You are very attached with him. You need some time to adjust yourself. We can talk normally too. Jin looked at him. I got my answer, Dad. Now there is nothing to talk. Thank you so much for this. Immediately left to his room. Mrs. Kim, Jin, listen to us. Looked at Mr. Kim. What did you do? How can you slap him? He isn't kid anymore. He is all grown up now. Mr. Kim, give him some time. He will understand us. Right now, his love for Jungkook is forcing him to do all these things. We will talk with him tomorrow. Hoshuk pulled his left ear. How many times should I remind you? Why are your socks dirty, Jungkook? I forget to wash it, sir. Hoshuk, you forget? Interesting. Took the cane. Don't worry, I will make sure you never dare to repeat this again in your life. Today I will teach you a good lesson on cleanliness. Now fold your pants till your knees and stand straight. Cook, I'm sorry, sir. Please let me go only this time. I promise I will never repeat this again. Horseshoe, can't you listen at once? Sorry isn't acceptable here. You will get punishment on your every wrong deeds, even on the smallest mistake. With that, he started giving him hard stroke on his both the calf by the cane, five strokes on his each calf. Poor boy, only screaming in pain. He can't even bend down to rub his calf because if he moves from his place, then his punishment will be double. Cook, thank you, sir. Horseshoe, now go to your class. Cook, unfold his pad. Oh, okay, sir. Name Jeo Jungkook is 15 years old, profession middle school student. He was good at his studies and sport. He never get any scoldings from anyone. But after his parents' sudden dismiss changed everything. He got traumatized. His cute nature turned into aggressive. He couldn't control his emotions. Only Jin understand him. Only he can calm down his anger by his love. But after Jin's departure to abroad, his anger issues became more wild. He didn't listen to anyone. Mr. and Mrs. Kim tried a lot to handle him, but they failed. At last, they had to send him in the boarding school. After coming here, he became silent. He tried to adjust himself here, but here's rules are very strict. Teachers are way too much cruel. Here, you will get punishment on small things. They never show any mercy on any students. You have to follow each and every rules, otherwise you will be dead meat. Here's discipline is very strict. You will get food on a specific time period. You should come before time. If you come a single second late, then you won't get food as a punishment of disrespecting the food. All the time you should maintain discipline. Cook reached at his classroom while limping. He couldn't get enough time to rub his calf to lessen the pain because he doesn't want to get late for his class. But for his bad luck, teacher already entered in the class. Everyone stood up. Good morning, sir. Jamin, good morning, class. Sit down. Cook slowly locked the door to get his attention. May I come in, sir? Jamin looked at him with crossed arm. No. Cook, please, sir, let me come inside. Jamin, you should be know the rule, Jungkook. After teacher's arrival, none of the students can enter inside the classroom. Now stay at the door and attend the class from there. Only you can't allow to drop your bag. You will attend whole class while hanging your bag and stand straight. Is this clear? Cook immediately stood straight. Yes, sir. Jimin started teaching and Cook was standing at the door frame. He tried to concentrate on his lecture but couldn't. His legs was hurting like hell. He couldn't able to stand straight, but he has to. Otherwise, he had to stand for 2 periods as he was standing at the door frame, so there was too much noise. Cane sound and students screaming and crying voice kept disturbing him. Somehow his 45 minutes ended and Jimin left the class. He quickly entered inside the class and sat on his chair. His legs and back were hurting like hell. He thought to rub his calf, but now another teacher entered inside the class. He is the most strictest and scariest teacher of the school, Kim Taeyang. He can't tolerate a single mistake and never hesitate to give hard punishment to the students. He came inside the classroom with bundle of papers. He took the test yesterday. He brought the thick skin too. Everyone, good morning, sir. Taeyang called a scary voice. Morning, none of you scored full marks as a result. Now get ready to cry hard, said with super mad and scary voice. He distributed everyone's test sheet and started punishing. Now it was Cook's turn. His heart was beating very fast. Taeyang, how many marks you got less? Cook stood up to 20, sir. Taeyang, very good. Now spread your hands. I don't have time to waste. If you back away your hands, then you will get double amount. Cook slowly spread his hand and Taeyang started giving him hard as strokes. He gave him total 20 strokes, 5 strokes on his each palm and 5 strokes of his back of the palm on knuckles, which was very painful for him. He took everything sincerely while screaming and crying. Soon his lecture over. Time skipped after some times. He couldn't eat his lunch properly due to unbearable pain. He was walking on the corridor while limping. Suddenly he bumped with a boy and started beating him mercilessly. Why because he was very frustrated since the morning. He was getting beatings, nothing else. Anger was building inside him. He couldn't control on himself and burst into that boy without any reason. He forgot that fighting is strictly prohibited here. He will get worse punishment for this. Students were gathered around him and trying to pull him, but he wasn't ready to stop. Soon the teachers come there. What's happening here? Jun Jungkook, leave him right now. Cook looked upward and they started shaking to see the person. Namjoon, sir. Namjoon, meet me in my cabin now. Angrily shouted and left. Another super strict teacher. He wasn't teaching Cook. He only teaches high school students. He is 10 times more stricter than Tiang. His punishments are the worst. No matter how much strong a person is in front of him, he started screaming and crying loudly. June, explain. Cook, I'm so sorry, sir. June harshly hit the cane on the table. Do what you are saying to do. Understand? Cook, super scared. Understood, sir. I was going to my class. He bumped with me. I was frustrated over something and took out everything on him. I'm really sorry, sir. June, do you think we made the rules for the fun? Cook immediately shook his head. No, sir. June, now quickly bend down. You will get the cane. Note, somewhere corporal punishments exist, so somewhere it's banned. So no need to take this on your heart, liver, kidney, brain, anywhere. It's just an imaginary story. It's a fiction. If you are uncomfortable, then you can skip the part. Well, I'm not gonna show anything. I think you are enough mature to understand the meaning of fiction. Cook didn't do anything, so June forcefully made him bend down on the chair and started hitting on his back. Strokes depends on you. After giving him enough hits, he allowed him to stand up. Namjoon gave him paper and pen. Now sit on the wooden chair and write, I will never do fighting. 50 times. You won't get today's dinner. You aren't allowed to come out from your room. Because of you, that boy gets several injuries. Don't think I will go easy on you. Now go. Cook somehow sat on the wooden chair. His back started hurting. He started writing. After an hour, he completed his punishments. Because of his red knuckles, he took this much time. Time skipped at the night. He was sitting on the window of his room and looking outside the moon. All of his roommates went to mess to eat their dinner. He can't go because of his punishment. He was only looking at the sky. Cook, Oma, Appa, why did you leave me here alone? Please call me there too. I don't wanna live here anymore. I'm so bad. That's why Jinny Yangi also leave me. Here is no one to understand me. All the time I only get punishments. Tell me, what sin have I ever done? Why is God punishing me by slashing my all the loved ones one by one? Oh ma, are you listening me? He was crying and blaming himself for everything. He wanna talk with Jin, but how? He didn't remember Jin's number, and moreover, here in boarding school, you can talk with your family only one time in a week and meet your family members only 2 times in a month. Time skipped in the morning. Jin took the address of boarding school and straight come here to take Cook with himself without wasting any time. It was located in another city. It took him 6 hours to reach here. Jin to the principal. Hello sir. Yoongi. Hello Mr. Jin. Kim. I'm Kim Shigojin. Yoongi. Yes Mr. Kim. Tell me, how can I help you? Jin. I'm here to take my brother Jeon Jungkook back. He is in middle school student. Prepare his papers. I wanna take him as soon as possible. Yoongi. Oh, so you are Jungkook's Hyang. Jin. You know him? Yoongi. Well, your brother is very famous in our school. Here isn't any teacher who didn't punish him. He is very aggressive all the time. He do mistakes and break the things. He is very indisciplined student. Yesterday he beat the boy mercilessly without any reason. He doesn't has any control over his anger. Jin, I'm really sorry from his behalf. Actually, he wasn't like this before. He was very calm boy. Few months ago, he lost his parents. Because of this, his nature turned aggressive. My parents sent him here, but now I returned back. I won't allow him to leave. That's why I wanna take him back. Yoongi, sorry Mr. Kim, I can't send him with you. It's against our rule. He can't go with for completing his academic year. Jin, I don't care about the academic year. I will take him with myself. They both were talking just then Jin's eye fell on the boy who was standing at the ground by bare feet. His heart skipped a beat. He was none other than his little bunny, Cook. He immediately ran to ground. Cook was ready to lose his consciousness and fell, but before he could touch the ground, Jin held him in his embrace. Jin patted his cheek. Bunny, Cookie. Cook looked at him with full revision and smiled face. Jinny Hangi passed out. Yoongi, now what did he do? Teacher, he threw the food tray on a boy. Because of this, he got the cut. Yoongi, what? Is he fine? Teacher, Yoongi, see Mr. Kim, what did your brother do? Jin, that's why I'm telling you to send with me. He needs love, not punishment. Why aren't you understanding this? Yoongi, no, you can't take him. It's against our rule. We can take him. We send him here, and according to your rules, we can take him with us at any time. We can cancel his admission at any time. Jin looked at them. Mom, Dad, you here? Mr. Kim, yes, son, we are here. We will take him back. Don't worry. They all took him into the Yoongi's cabin. Doctor checked him and informed that he passed out due to weakness and stress, nothing else. Soon he regained his consciousness and found Mr. Kim, Mrs. Kim, and Jin beside him. Cook, shaky voice, Jinny Hangi. Jin hugged him tightly. Yes, my bunny. Please forgive your Jinny Hangi. It took so much time to come here. Cook, Jinny Hangi was busy now. Jin made him drink water. Drink some water first, okay? Cook shook his head. No, I'm not allowed. Yoongi, you can drink the water, Jungkook. Cook looked at him. Sir, try to stand up. Yoongi, it's okay, no need to stand. Mrs. Kim, Cookie, will you forgive your uncle and aunt? It's all happened because of us. If we didn't send you here, then you won't suffer like this. Cook shook his head carelessly. No, aunt, it's not your fault. Please don't say sorry. It's all my mistake. You and uncle tried to make me understand, but I didn't listen to you. I shouted on you and broke the things too, which were very costly. Mr. Kim, no, it's our fault. We are elders. We should understand you and your pain. We shouldn't send you here. We thought if you will stay here, then you will learn discipline and self-control. We should give you some time to adjust yourself, but we badly failed. Please forgive us if you can. Jin to Yoongi, I'm sorry from his behalf for whatever he did. By his aggressive nature, I'm ready to pay the fine. Now prepare his papers. If you won't listen to me, then I will take him without your permission. Yoongi, okay, you can take him with yourself. I will prepare the papers. Now excuse me. Left from there. Jin looked at Cook. Bunny, now you don't need to worry. I will never leave you alone. We will live far away from here and start a new life with each other, okay? Cook looked at Mr. and Mrs. Kim. No, I already lost my parents. Now I don't want to lose my second parents too. I want Oma and Appa. Spread his arms. Oma, Appa. Mr. and Mrs. Kim tightly hugged him. Mr. and Mrs. Kim, we are sorry, baby. We promise we won't leave you alone. It's okay. You can live with Jin alone. We don't have any problem. As far as you are happy, we are happy. Cook, no, neither I'm going anywhere, not Jinny Hanki. We all will stay together like a happy family. looked at Jin. Right, Jinny Yangi? Why aren't you hugging us, Yangi? It was my mistake. Why are you punishing them? Now forget everything, na. Jin quickly hugged him. I'm sorry, Mom and Dad. I shouldn't shout on you. Mrs. Kim, it's okay. Now we will do fresh start, okay? Cook, I promise I will try to become a good boy. I will listen to you and go to doctor with uncle without throwing any tantrums. Yoongi, excuse me. Jin, yes. Yoongi, here is his papers and things. You can take him with yourself. Kim family happily took Cook with themselves. Cook started going to psychiatrist with Mr. Kim and started learning anger management. It took some time, but because of everyone's effort, Cook started getting back to his normal life. In this whole scenario, who was in fault? Mr. and Mrs. Kim, who tried to handle him, but when things started going from their hands, they had to send him boarding school to learn discipline. Jin, who had to go to abroad for doing his internship, for which he did very hard work. Cook, who lost his parents in teenage and couldn't bear his trauma and started doing unnecessary things out of anger issues. According to you, who was in fault? According to me, it's everyone's fault and not two. Sometimes situations build up like this that we have to take those decisions which we never gonna take. Sometimes we take tough decision because of situation but later regret over it. So take the decision wisely. The end. Author's note. That's it for today. Hope you all like it. I thought to make this a story long ago. One reader suggested me this. You must be read lots of fanfics over boarding schools concept, but never read anything like this before. I can assure you that. I just want to show that sometimes both parents and child are in fault. They do things which they think is right. Both are right and wrong at their place at the same time. Sometimes life gives us second chance to correct our mistakes, so sometimes not. If life gives you second chance to never hesitate to take a step to correct your mistake. Not everyone this much lucky. I hope you all enjoyed this story. I just wanna write something different. Don't forget to tell me your point of view on this story. According to you, who was in fault? We will meet soon. Till then, take care of yourself. Love you all. If you like this story, then please do like, subscribe, share and comment. I assure you that you will never gonna regret on your decision. Thanks for watching.